Hello students, so in the previous video we have just stopped at exercise 1.1 example number 13. So today we are going to start with example number 15, which is let R be the relation in the set 1, 2, 3, 4. The given set R is equals to 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 3, 3, 3 and 3, 2. So choose the correct option. Okay. So first देखो यहाँ पे it is a reflexive. देखो 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 and 4, 4. सारे एलिमेंट 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is a reflexive. That R is a reflexive. Symmetric है 1, 2 है but 2, 1 नहीं है. So it is not symmetric. 1, 3 देखो यहाँ पे 1, 2 है, फिर ऐसा कोई भी कंसेक्यूटिव नहीं है, 1, 2 है, फिर 2, 2 है, तो 1, 2 is not there, so it is not transitive. So R is reflexive and R is transitive. Okay, but R is not symmetric. तो कौन सा ऑप्शन आएगा? क्वेश्चन नंबर आंसर नंबर B. Okay, so here we just completed our exercise 1.1. So now let's just start with some theory part, which is types of functions. The notation of a function along with some special functions like identity function, constant function, polynomial function, rational function, modulus function, signum function, etc. along with their graphs you have been studied in class 11. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of two functions have also been studied, as the concept of a function is of paramount importance in mathematics and among other disciplines as well. We would like to extend our study about functions from where we finished earlier. In this section, we would like to study different types of functions. So let's just start with consider functions f1, f2, f3 and f4 given by the following diagrams. In figure 1.2 here, this is the figure 1.2. We observe that the images of distinct elements of x under the function f1 are distinct, but the image of two distinct elements 1 and 2 of x1 under f2 is same. So यहाँ पे फर्स्ट फिगर में देख लो, यहाँ पे उसकी सेम फिगर है. Okay, images will be same. So let's just start to understand the definition. A function f is from x to y is defined to be 1, 1. Okay, so यहाँ पे 1, 1 function आया है. A function f is from x to y is defined to be 1, 1 if the images of distinct elements of x under f are distinct. That is, for every x belongs to capital X, fx1 is equals to fx2 implies x1 is equals to x2. Otherwise, f is called many one. And definition 6 is a function f is from x to y is said to be onto if every element of y is the image of some element of x under f. That is, for every y belongs to y, there exists an element x in capital X such that fx is equals to y. The function f1, f3 and f4 in figure 3 and 4 are onto, and function f1 in figure 1.21 is not onto, as elements e, f in x2 are not image of any element of. यहाँ पे देख लेते हैं, एक बार समझ में आएगा. देखो 1, 1 क्या होता है कि हर एक की इमेज होनी चाहिए, बट ऑन टू में क्या होता है, कोई भी एक पर्टिकुलर वैल्यू खाली नहीं पड़नी चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे ई एंड एफ इज इसका कोई प्री इमेज नहीं है, इसलिए वो क्या हो जाएगा, ऑन टू नहीं होगा. ठीक है. सो डेफिनेशन नंबर 7, A function f is from x to y is said to be 1, 1 and on 2 or bijective if f is both 1 1 and onto. So let's just start with example number 7. Let A be the set of all 50 students of class 10 in a school. Let f is from a to n be a function defined by f of x is equals to roll number of the student of x. But what about the 51 student? तो उसका कोई इमेज नहीं मिल रहा. So that's why no two different students of the class can have same roll number. Therefore f must be 1 1. But we can assume without any loss of generality that roll numbers of students are from 1 to 50. This implies that 51 in capital N is not roll number of any student of the class. So that 51 cannot be image of any element of x under f. Hence f is not onto. It is a 1 1 but not onto. Show that the function f is from n to n given by fx is equals to 2x is 1 1 but not onto. The function f is 1 1, that for f of x1 is equals to f of x2 is equals to 2x1 is equals to 2x2, which implies x1 is equals to x2. Further, f is not n to onto, as 1 belongs to n. There does not exist any x in n such that fx is equals to 2x is equals to 1. क्योंकि अगर हम x को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 2 से तो आंसर उसका इमेज क्या मिलेगा, 2 मिल जाएगा. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल में सिर्फ समझा रही हूँ, जो एक्सरसाइज है वही हम लिखेंगे. ओके. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 9. प्रूव दैट द फंक्शन f is from r to r given by fx is equals to 2x is 1 1 and onto. So f is 1 1 as f of x1 is equals to f of x2 is equals to 2x1 is equals to 2x, which implies x1 x2. Also given any real number y in capital R, there exists y divided by 2 in R such that f of y by 2 is equals to 2. Therefore y by 2 is equals to y. Hence f is onto as well. Now 10 and 11 you can do by yourself. Example number 12, that show that f is from n to n given by x plus 1 if x is odd and x minus 1 if x is even is both 1 1 and onto. So let's just start. That suppose f of x1 is note that if x1 is odd and x2 is even, then we will have x1 plus 1 is equals to x2 minus 1. That is x2 minus x1 is equals to 2, which is impossible. Similarly, the possibility of x2 being even and x1 being odd can also be ruled out. Using the similar argument, therefore both x1 and x2 must be either odd or even. Okay. 13 14 by yourself, and we can start with exercise 1.2 question number 1. So let's just start. Exercise 1.2 question number 1, in which we are having show that the function f is from r to r, f is from r to r is defined by f of x is equals to 1 upon x is 1 1 and onto, where r is the set of all non-zero real numbers. Is the result true if the domain r is replaced by capital N with codomain being same as r? Okay, so let's just start for 1 1. So 1 1 के लिए क्या हो जाएगा, we are having a same image, that f of x1 is equals to f of x2 is equals to, which implies x1 is equals to x2. So if I taking f of x1 is equals to f of x2, that is 1 upon x1 is equals to 1 upon x2, which implies x1 is equals to x2. Therefore f is 1 1. Okay, next is onto. So let's just prove that it is on onto. It is clear that y belongs to r. There exists x is equals to 1 upon y belongs to r such that f of x is equals to 1 upon y. हमने कोई भी एक रैंडम नंबर लिया है जिसका आंसर y मिल रहा है, therefore f is onto. therefore f is on to. Now next we are having to consider that अगर हम डोमेन चेंज करते हैं then the new function that is g is from यहाँ पे r to r था और यहाँ पे चेंज कर रहे हैं हम n to r. Now new function g is from n to r, therefore we are having g of x is equals to 1 by x. So g of x1 is equals to g of x2 is equals to 1 upon x1 is equals to 1 upon x2, which implies x1 is equals to x2. Therefore g is 1 1. And for on to we are having, अगर हम g का वैल्यू फ्रैक्शन में लेते हैं so उसका वैल्यू 1 upon 1.2 it is not belongs to. Therefore it is clear that g is not on to. As for 1 upon 2 belongs to R, there does not exist any x in capital N such that gx is equals to 1 upon 1.2. Hence function g is 1 1 but not on to. Okay, now move on to next example number 3. और सेकेंड का आप खुद से कर सकते हो, बट मैं एक बार फटाफट बता देती हूँ. फर्स्ट का देखो, चेक द इनएक्टिविटी एंड सर्ज एक्टिविटी ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. सो फर्स्ट इज एफ इज फ्रॉम एन टू एन इज गिवन बाय एफ ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू एक्स स्क्वायर. ठीक है, सो इंजेक्टिव तो हो जाएगा बिकॉज एफ ऑफ एक्स वन is equals to f of x2 is equals to x square is equals to x2 square, x1 square is equals to x2 square. Therefore f is injective and it is surjective or not, because 2 belongs to n. 2 belongs to n, but that does not exist any n in x such that f of x is equals to x square is equals to 2. ठीक है, सो n में 2 कब आएगा, जब हमारे पास वैल्यू √2 होगी. तो √2 तो n में नहीं है, therefore it is not on to. Similar way you can solve all the examples. Now next is example number 3, which is prove that the greatest integer function f is from r to r given by f of x is modulus of x is neither 1 1 nor 1 2, where x denotes the greatest integer less than or equals to x. सो प्लीज़ ट्राई बाय योरसेल्फ. उसमें वेरियस एग्जांपल्स लेके ट्राई करने का प्रूव करने का ट्राई करना. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद दैट पर्टिकुलर. ओके, थैंक यू.